Chevre, we're back at the Bay Café restaurant located at Shore Parkway and Neptune Avenue, literally 50 minutes away from Borough Park, Flatbush, and Staten Island. Yeah, Staten Island's 50 minutes away. Great location, right at the water. Beautiful, beautiful water over there. Chevre, but it's a yiddish. It's on their new heimishe. Tartikov Hashgacha. Chevre, there's so many people said, Chaim, I wish I could come out there, but it's not my heimishe. It was only okay last time. So now it's under a new heimishe and a new ownership.
How are you? Welcome to the Bay Café.
We've been here a while ago, and the food was amazing, delicious.
Right now it's better. So we have new plates, we have new special, new drinks. So we have sesame salad.
Let's go check it out. You set up a whole table for us over here.
Yeah, of course.
Let's go see what the guy set up over here, what the waiter set up for us. Wow. Yeah. I remember these dishes. What is this?
This one's truffle mushroom pizza. This one's really good. We have sesame crusted salmon salad. Really good. Dairy nachos. They are amazing.
Nachos.
Black beans, guacamole.
That's a special over here. Only in the Bay Café you get
Only
that.
in the Bay Café. Really good stuff.
I remember that. Those nachos, the crunch, the crisp.
Yes. Our butternut squash soup.
Oh,
really good.
That's actually in the squash.
Squash. It's really good.
This is something you don't see anywhere. Basically,
only in the Bay Café.
Look at this. You got a squash, you come over, take it off, and you got the soup in there, and it's something out of the world. Because you can actually dig in the squash afterwards. You can eat the soup really and then the squash.
We have the big carpaccio, goat cheese, milk cream. This one's really good. And we have this one like a special, a spinach salad with goat cheese, pecans, and sauteed onions with balsamic dressing on the side.
What's this drink?
Hot chocolate for the winter time.
Saying it's really cold outside, you want that hot chocolate.
A little whipped cream on top. And we have the apple cider, homemade apple cider.
Homemade apple cider, that's a new one.
Yeah, it's really good. We have really good new stuff right now. Come to the Bay Café and enjoy.
Chevron, I want to show you something. On top of the delicious food that everybody knows is at the Bay Café. So I'm going to do the balmachshe from Tartikov. Agetur. So I'm going to do Shulam Shlomovich from the Tartikov Hashgacha. So let's see what we're going to do. It was okay only. And I made a video. And I was heimishe said, Chaim, it looks delicious. It's etos mordig. It's a bisschen raus von Gegend. It's beautiful that, you know, you don't essen in Gegend, out of the neighborhood. But only okay. Buch Hashem Hans, the I owner, mit der Lady Tartikov Hashgacha, und ein bisschen the Standard von der Kashrus.
So Buch Hashem, einmal versteht sich, als Meir zu beginnen mit der Sache du, und das auch der heimische Hashgacha. Und versteht sich, dass du auch größere Geliebten zwischen der heimische Hashgacha und der größeren National Hashgachas. Und versteht sich, als chassidische Jiden, die man Sachen nur haben, man kann kommen essen, mit Essen ruhig, mit Wissen, alles ist kosher, auf der highest standard von Kashrus. 100% kosher, wie die chassidische Jiden will, in de bedieker te loeren, met bald terang in de kitchen me zijn, wie de masgier gewascht is, später komen da in zijn masgier komen, in zij checken alles ibbe, machen sicher, als het kushe wie yushe, betachas na kashrus.
Wow.
So ga ik kibber aan de kitchen gedawaald, wie de masgier gewascht, en später checken me de ibbe. Du seht mir, wie der kushe masgier gaat, Jotte Wietschok, doet de ganzen Tag masgier te midi. Du findest free bis bei Nacht. Und macht sich alles kushe, wascht die vegetables, tut die spinach, wascht romaine mit cilantro, mit parsley, mit springmix. Muss man das noch oben, wird dit gewaschen. Später kommen wir in der Maschine von Tartikov kommen. Man checkt über die Schmatzes, zu sehen, als das rein betagt als Kashrus.
So saying there's no charge to loom.
Gut nicht. Thomas erst ein Scheritz, heißt mit bewaschen. Der zufällig der Bucket, auf den Nächten gecheckt. Das geht zu loom. Man geht die bewaschen, man wascht es eben, man geht bald checken, sehen, es ist das Beste geworden oder nicht, und mit dem Treffen geht es in Garbage.
Wow, okay. So this is the Kasha Weissman, Tartikov Hashgacha, we're covered. Beautiful. Shkoyach. So Chevre, without saying another word, we also this gorgeous table over here. Stunning table, delicious food, all the dishes over here. Beautiful venue, beautiful location. It's open from what time, Meir, every day?
11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
11 a.m. to 10 p.m. So that means for lunches, business meetings, corporate.
You name it, we do it.
11 a.m. Till what time?
10 p.m.
10 p.m. Dinners, suppers. Now, Sheva Brochos, that's one of your hot items, right?
Correct.
It's beautiful, the ambience, the big men and ladies, enough room. And from Brisim in the morning to Sheva Brochos at night to corporate and business events in the middle of the day to just a dinner out, a lunch out with your family. It's a beautiful location. Now, Meir, whenever we come out to a restaurant, we always do a Perlowitz promotion. What's going to be today?
We can choose from any of the desserts that we have. This is called Dubai cheesecake. It's delicious. They're number one.
Dubai cheesecake. You're saying the Dubai crunch, the Dubai flavor? You got it over here. 5 Meir. So the Perlowitz promotion goes from now till when? Let's do it till Pesach.
Okay.
Yeah, can we do it?
Yeah, why not?
From now till Pesach, mention the Perlowitz promotion for the delicious Dubai chocolate, and I love the location. It's right across the water. You come, you take I just came. I took a nice walk with my wife across at the water. Beautiful, beautiful water over there, and come and have a nice lunch supper here. Meir, the phone number. If somebody wants to book an event, to book a simcha.
Anytime, give us a call. 347-554-8811. We're here to help you. Have simchas and achas.
And just to come and get Meir's smile. For that alone, it's worth it. The address is
2 Neptune Avenue.
2 Neptune Avenue, Brighton Beach, Manhattan Beach neighborhood. That's my lechting a tug. Kevin, one thing I forgot to say, look at the parking. This whole thing after 5 p.m. every day is available for parking. On this whole sidewalk you can park. You can fit probably 40 cars. So more than enough parking. One more thing, it's open Motzei Shabbos. You have the early Motzei Shabbos now. The others looking to get out, looking to go to a nice place. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous neighborhood. Like I said, the beautiful water. And you can come in Motzei Shabbos. It's open from right after the Zman, 20 minutes after the Zman, until 12 a.m. Motzei Shabbos, also the Bay Café. Enjoy your day.